Warren homeowners know how quickly Michigan weather can swing, from icy winter nights to humid summer afternoons. As temperatures rise and fall, your home's windows play a major role in keeping indoor conditions comfortable and energy costs under control. If your current windows are older, drafty, or showing signs of wear, replacing them with modern, energy-efficient options can make a remarkable difference. Here's how new window replacement boosts energy efficiency and helps Warren families enjoy a more comfortable, cost-effective home year-round. Modern windows reduce drafts and air leaks. Older windows often suffer from loose frames, deteriorating seals, and warped materials, all of which allow outside air to slip indoors. Even small gaps lead to big energy losses, making your HVAC system work harder to keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer. New energy-efficient windows offer precision sealing to eliminate drafts, double or triple pane glass for improved insulation, high-performance frames that resist warping, weather stripping designed to maintain an airtight fit once the drafts are gone. Warren homeowners immediately notice more stable indoor temperatures and reduced energy usage. Advanced glass technology reduces heat transfer. Michigan winters bring freezing temperatures, while summers often deliver high heat and humidity. With outdated windows, heat easily escapes your home in the winter and enters in the summer, resulting in higher utility bills. Modern replacement windows combat this problem through advanced glass features, such as energy-saving technologies include low emissivity coatings, reflect heat back indoors during cold months and block heat from entering during summer. Argon or krypton gas fills. These gases between panes significantly slow heat transfer. Warm edge spacers. Reduce condensation and improve insulation around the window edges. These features work together to maintain a consistent indoor climate, helping your home stay comfortable in every season. Improved insulation around the window frame. When windows age, the area around the frame becomes vulnerable to leaks and heat loss. Improper installation or outdated materials can also create gaps that waste energy. New window replacement includes updated insulation techniques that strengthen the entire window opening, ensuring better temperature control, less energy wasted through the frame, reduced risk of moisture infiltration, long-lasting structural stability. Professionally installed windows provide a tighter, more durable seal that contributes greatly to energy efficiency. Less stress on your HVAC system. When windows allow heat or cold to enter your home, your heating and cooling system must work overtime to maintain comfortable indoor conditions. This extra workload increases energy consumption and leads to higher utility bills. Energy-efficient windows lighten the load by minimizing outdoor temperature influence, maintaining more consistent indoor temperatures, reducing how often your HVAC system cycles on and off over time. This not only lowers energy bills but also extends the lifespan of your heating and cooling equipment. Reduced condensation. For a healthier home, outdated windows are prone to condensation buildup, especially during Warren's cold winters. Excess condensation can lead to moisture issues such as mold growth, wood rot, and damaged interior finishes. New energy-efficient windows keep condensation to a minimum thanks to better insulation, thermal breaks, high-quality frame materials. This helps protect your home's structure while maintaining healthier indoor air quality. Increased home value and long-term savings. Energy-efficient window replacement is one of the highest return upgrades for Warren homeowners. Buyers today value homes that offer lower utility costs, modern comfort, and updated curb appeal. Benefits include higher resale value, attractive ROI over time, monthly energy cost savings, reduced maintenance and repairs. The savings accumulate year after year, making replacement windows a smart long-term investment. Final thoughts. New window replacement is one of the most impactful ways to improve energy efficiency in Warren homes. With advanced glass technology, stronger frames, superior sealing, and enhanced insulation, modern windows help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures regardless of the season. They not only reduce your energy bills, they also enhance comfort, protect your home, and increase overall property value.